Oh yeah. It's been a while, huh? What's up? Yeah. Dude, I barely bled the not very many bubbles came out. And the fans kick on, both fans kick on, it's not overheating. It's running fucking good. Putting different, do you have a big one? Put it what? Huh? Put it what? What'd you say? Alright. I can't jack that one up any higher. This one's maxed out. Yeah. She's dirty. All that dust on here. Gotta give it a wash. Right, buddy? Quick Red Bull run. Risking our lives, dude. This close to death, right? All right, so we're gonna cut these tabs off because the new viscous or the new carry bearings do not fit on here, and we're gonna re-weld some new ones. That's why I'm here. I got the drive shaft in the car. Everything's all lined up, kind of. So here we go. Gonna cut the box open. PFT. You guys need a drive shaft or any other all-wheel drive stuff? Hit up PFT. Lanyards. All right, watch the hardware not be there. I'm gonna be kind of mad. It's like $50 extra for us right here. Cool. Yep. It's a 3-inch, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, 3-inch drive shaft. Got the viscous bolts. Put this shit together. I think the long side goes in the rear, right? Is that what it was? Let's look at a picture.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this is the front.
All right.
So what are you doing?
Tighten up the drive shaft, the bolts, and hopefully I don't break it.
No Loctite.
No Loctite.
That's just a myth.
You like how I got the undergrab going?
The what?
Grabbing between my legs like that. Grabbing that.
Nice, so you're pretty versatile, huh?
Pretty versatile. Been practicing. It's all together. 1310 joints. Yeah. We got a new development here. What do we do? What do we do? Is it leaking from that?
Yeah, we can see underneath. Look, see that?
See a coolant leak out of nowhere. That wasn't like that before. Who built this shit, dude? I'm taking it back to the guy who built it.
Shine your light in here. Under the car.
Yes, sir. What are you tightening over there, Pomo? Yeah. Hey, these are off.
Yeah, dude, what the fuck? Why did you...
What's going on, buddy? Look at that, dude. So we got all-wheel drive expert, Bruce. How's it going, buddy? This man's tightening shit. 4 bolts. He's kicking his ass. What size? 3/8. Found a 1/2 inch. Is 1/2 inch the same? Hey, got a red Loctite right here. Yeah. We'll go back and do that. Go back and Loctite the bolts. Hey, you don't mind if I check this coolant leak out, right? Or do you need my help real quick?
It's ready.
It's ready. Drop those brackets off and then put the new ones. See where they land.
These ones are well, the rear or the front?
This is the rear. Yeah, this one's it. Damn, it's like kicking shit everywhere, dude. Nice. Oh yeah. Stop leaking coolant too. It's weird.
Damn, dude, I'm learning it now.
You got it down now?
Finally. The last
Hey,
bracket.
do you want to show the people the welds that you did first?
Fuck yeah, dude.
Show the f***ing trial and error. We don't care.
That's literally my first one, dude. Literally. This was the first one. It was better than the fucking second
But
one.
then look at that. You ended up with that, which is good.
Dimes.
Hey, show
That
that
one's
good
pretty
one.
good.
I can't.
Holy shit, is this thing zoomed? Oh, my camera clips on.
Look at that. Getting it down. Figuring it out.
First one. Second one. We'll go back over it.
You gotta go back over this?
And this one. I don't know, it just got out of hand. And that one. Fuck yeah.
Hey, you
Fuck
paid.
yeah.
You paid the guy $30 an hour for that one.
And
I'm gonna drop that jack.
it's a little thick, but it's alright.
That works. Hey, what is it? Popcorn?
Yeah, popcorn beads.
It's on though. Oh, you're still tightening it. I'm all spinning the dry shaft.
Two more.
What? Jumor?
What was that?
Give it gas. You gotta hold the throttle, dude. It's the cams and the injectors. Good. Stop.
wouldn't do that, dude.
Dude, how far? You gotta go way down still, huh? Keep going. Oh shit, dude. The jack is still good. Are you about down yet? Damn.
It's a nice shot right there.
Where?
Your camera.
Right here? What's up, buddy? I'm gonna launch this thing. I brought my laptop because it was boost cutting. I was gonna turn the boost on, but my laptop's dead. I didn't bring a charger.
You got the charger?
Yeah. That was a fun install.
It wasn't bad.
The fucking wheels come. Good.
Slide it forward.
Alright, so that's gonna do for this video. I did do a few pulls off camera. I don't have my GoPro hooked up or anything like that. I'm gonna go take the car out and to go run to the store, and I decided to do a second to third full throttle shift, and the shifter broke again. You guys don't know, I snapped this bolt right here at one point, and the little spring clamp, whatever you want to call it, is I just have it off. But I snapped that at some point in one of my previous videos racing, so now it's just kind of just dangling there. It's just like barely hanging on by a couple threads, maybe. I might be able to, there it goes, see? I think I broke it again. I can't really see in there, but I'm really tempted to just weld this piece in for good. Call it good. It's like steel. I don't even know how I would go about doing that. Either way, guys, we gotta do something about this. I want to get it like welded, so I don't have to worry about this crap happening to me again. We got a lot of stuff different on this car, and I will show you guys in a second. We pull in the garage. All right, guys, sorry for all this mess right here, but that's where we're welding up the charge pipes on this car. So right now, what we did was we put this new intercooler onto speed factory back door. You guys know, from the last video. We got the charge pipes done, as you can see. We got those. Not bad. Bruce helped me out a little bit. I did this one right here. I don't think they're too terrible. Definitely not a professional, but it got done. As of right now, I got the shifter kind of sort of fixed. I'm able to drive the car. However, we're gonna still get it welded up because I am taking this car to Bremerton Street. It's like a street car event type deal. It's on May 18th. There's a couple little things I want to do on this thing, like weld up that shifter so it doesn't break on me. I gotta get the safety switch for the clutch, which actually I might go try and do right now. So I can set up my full throttle shift through Honda so I don't chew the teeth off these gears. Or not necessarily off the gears, but off the synchros and the sliders and all that stuff. I do not want to be taking this transmission out to replace stuff like that in it. We got the drive shaft on and the car is drivable. However, of course, never fails. I discovered that a U-joint is bad on the front shaft. It came defective, so I can't really drive it. It's not that I can't really drive it, it's just it's not good to drive it because it can cause some other problems. The car does vibrate a little bit when I'm not loading up the car, when I'm not like on it, right? So it can accelerate. It feels pretty good. That part's fine. So we know the angle is probably set up decent. It's just you got a bad U-joint. Not that you can see it, but it's the T case is right here, and it's a slip joint. The side is good. It's the side that connects to the viscous. We have a defective U-joint, of course, right? Wouldn't be my car or my build if something stupid like that didn't happen on a brand new part. PFT, shout out to PFT, Power Factory Tuning. They went ahead and sent out a new drive shaft. I had to send this one back. So there you go, Power Factory Tuning. I got a couple of their stickers. I'm not gonna even lie, I was pretty frustrated at first. The main reason why I was frustrated, well, what made me really frustrated was that I'm gonna have to wait like another week and a half. It'll be here next Wednesday. It's coming USPS, so I might be here like Monday or Tuesday. Today's Thursday, so only a few more days. It's not a big deal. Car will definitely be ready. IFO is on Sunday. I'm obviously not taking the car. Yeah, that's about it. So anyway, guys, that's kind of what's going on with the car right now. It runs good. It drives well. Needs a drive shaft. Needs a front shaft. With that said, guys, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you guys next time.